Welcome back. We do have that weather alert. Once again, a winter storm warning for Langlade County and Menominee County, Michigan, and then a winter weather advisory roughly north and west of the Fox Valley. You can expect a mixture of snow, sleet, freezing rain, and rain across northeast Wisconsin. This evening, it's going to be mainly rain for the next 3 to 5 hours with some thunderstorms. The thunderstorms could produce some locally heavy rain. Along with melting snow, we could be looking at some minor flooding. And then later on tonight into tomorrow morning, when temperatures drop below freezing, we could start to see some of that freeze on area roads. We've also got a wind advisory here for the Fox Valley through Door County, and then across the southern part of the viewing area, we are looking at a high wind warning. Later on tonight into tomorrow, winds could be gusting up to around 50 to 60 miles per hour as a powerful storm moves across Wisconsin. We could be looking at some power outages and possibly some tree damage. We've had on and off light precipitation throughout the day, light snow, light freezing rain, light sleet, and light rain, but now we're looking at a large batch of light to moderate rain moving in from the south, but there are some thunderstorms embedded within this area of rain that are producing locally heavy rain, and it's going to be mainly rain from the Fox Valley east for the bulk of the storm. Late tonight into tomorrow morning, we'll see it end as a little bit of light snow, so a dusting to maybe an inch or two. North and west of the Fox Valley, look for 2 to 4 inches from near Watoma, north and west towards Big Falls, just west of Shawano, and then up towards Pembine. The heaviest totals from this storm will be way off to the north and west, where over a foot of snow is likely. You can see the snow developing here across much of western Wisconsin, Minnesota, and Iowa. Meanwhile, we're looking at rain and thunderstorms quickly working in from the south. Lightning track 26 is something I usually do not show in February, but here you go. We are seeing lightning across central and southeastern Wisconsin. This activity is quickly pushing off towards the north and east as this area of low pressure deepens rapidly across eastern Iowa. It is heading off towards the northeast. Later on this evening into tonight, the pressure within this storm is going to drop dramatically. In fact, it'll be down to around 976 millibars later on tonight. That's on par with a Category 2 hurricane, and that's why we are going to be looking at the strong winds. In Green Bay right now, the winds are already gusting up to around 35 miles per hour out of the east. They'll turn to the south briefly later on this evening. Temperatures will warm close to 40, and then they'll switch back to the west overnight, and that's when the winds are really going to crank up to around maybe 40, 50 miles per hour with gusts close to 60 miles per hour possible. Precision Cast shows rain across the area through 8 or 9 o'clock. By midnight, as some colder weather starts to wrap in behind the low, we'll see that mix with and change over to a little bit of light snow and a few flurries. That'll continue into tomorrow morning, and then as we head into the afternoon, we'll see clouds mixing with some sunshine. Behind this system, much colder weather will return for the weekend, and then frigid air returns as we head into next week. So tonight, rain and thunderstorms ending as some light snow later on tonight. Windy conditions. Temperatures will eventually drop down into the 20s tomorrow. Windy conditions, once again, winds could gust 40, 50, 60 miles per hour during the morning. We'll see some light snow giving way to a mixture of sun and clouds. Lots of sunshine and quiet for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, but turning progressively colder here. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, not feeling like the end of February. And as we head into March, very cold conditions. This is a very cold air mass for this time of year, something you would typically see in January, not at the beginning of meteorological spring, which is Saturday, if you can believe that, next Saturday.
Wow. I guess we know how to deal with the cold, though, huh?
We do. We've got a lot of experience.
We have. Thank you so much, Cameron. Coming up tonight on NBC